Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. If you're a regular subscriber, then welcome back. It's great to have you here. Today I'm going to share with you a super delicious smoothie. It's a vegan Snickers chocolate smoothie that is out of this world. It just combines a few simple ingredients and it tastes so delicious. It's great for a quick breakfast, it's great for a snack on the go, or even as a little dessert drink. It's really, really yummy. So let's get into the recipe.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So all I'm going to do is put all of these ingredients I have in front of me into a blender, give it a whiz up, and then it's ready to drink. And I'm very excited because I love making this smoothie. So to start with, I have some frozen banana. It's about half of a large frozen banana. So for my main liquid today, I am using almond milk. So you could also use oat milk, which makes it super creamy, but I love almond milk in this because it adds to the overall nuttiness of the vegan Snickers taste in this smoothie. So I'm just going to pour this in as well. Then I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I just love the taste of vanilla. So obviously one of the main ingredients in Snickers is chocolate. So I'm using some cacao powder. This is just some raw cacao powder, but you could use any cacao or cocoa powder that you like to use. And I've got a tablespoon's worth going in there. So as I was saying, we want nuttiness in this smoothie. It's a vegan Snickers smoothie. So I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of almond meal. And what would a Snickers smoothie be without peanut butter? So I've got a tablespoon of some smooth peanut butter going in. Next I'm adding in 2 dates. These just add a nice caramel flavour and a nice sweetness to the smoothie. I'm also putting in a teaspoon of Maca Powder. Now this is totally optional, but it does add a nice earthiness and a little bit of a caramel type flavour to this smoothie. And it's also good for libido and energy, so I'm going to add that in right now. And then just a pinch of coarse Celtic sea salt. So the salt actually brings out the sweetness of the chocolate and also the sweetness of the dates and makes this really, really tasty. And now it's time to blend it up. Okay, so this has been blending for about 1.5 minutes and it's gone nice and smooth and creamy, and it just looks amazing. It smells delicious. And now the best part, it's time to actually taste test. Oh, that's delicious. So what I've done is poured this into a little glass, and I have this amazing little glass straw here, and I'm just really looking forward to having this for my breakfast today. Oh, it's so delicious. It really does taste like a Snickers in a glass. It's so delicious. Give it a try. I'd love to see your photos of this recipe over in my Facebook group. So come on over and join us there. We share lots of tips, tricks and ideas, and I would love to see your recipes or your suggestions over there as well. And I really hope you make this smoothie because it's really, really delicious. Yum. I'm going to finish this off camera. I look forward to seeing you soon and look forward to the next recipe. Bye for now.